you have a very long entrance here. So, you know, I love your idea of planting all of that down, but it's a humongous project. I think you start here a little more right size to the expand, like proportional to the space. Here is your area you see all the time. Plant this up, maybe something like this. Like that, or even bigger, but it's very sunny, so it's your grasses to complement over there. Maybe that's what you see first, you know, grasses, maybe some catmint. You need low here because the mail carrier can get access, low stuff. Maybe some coreopsis, maybe some asters. I wouldn't say echinacea, but the bunnies are probably crazy here. Okay, so, but the catmint will be fine for that. Maybe a different kind of grass here. Maybe a winterberry over here because you've got those over there. You can do tall ones back here. Like you could do Joe Pye, okay? You can do the taller asters. So I would start with that and then expand from here.